So I just got, well, not just got this in the mail, but I haven't opened it yet. These are some Belle Chloe eyelashes, as you guys can see. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. But they basically, we were doing a collab together. They sent this to me to review for you guys and to test out. And guess who's testing them out? Andy is. So we are doing a challenge today where he is going to be wearing lashes for a day because I'm already wearing lashes. So he's gonna see what it's like to be me. Okay, I can't open this one-handed. Maybe I can. So this is the packaging it comes in. It's so cute. I like how everything's packaged. It's really tiny and it's just really compact and really nice. So these are what they look like. And these are magnetic lashes. So these are instructions, I guess, on the back. And these are great because they don't require any glue or anything like that. So even if you do have lash extensions, I feel like you could still rock these right before you're about to get a fill or something like that. So we're gonna open these and see what they look like. So these are just, this is the instruction manual. I'm gonna try to learn how to do this because it's the first time I'm trying these too. So that is the applicator. I'm glad it comes with one of those. So this is the little case it comes in. It's actually really nice, really sturdy, and you could definitely reuse it for other lashes. So if you're traveling or anything like that, it's really cute and compact. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay guys, so it comes with a mirror and everything. So yeah, again, really great for traveling. This is what the lashes look like. So that's the left, right, and then the bottom. So this is going to be fun. I have no idea how to apply these, but I'm going to go ahead and try these out for you, and we're going to be doing this challenge video. So I did get the volume pair, and that's what they look like. So I'm excited. Annie's probably not that excited, but that's okay. He'll get over it. So thank you, Belle Chloe, for sending me these lashes. Go and check out their website. I will link them down below, and let's go ahead and get started in applying these eyelashes. Okay guys, so I'm going to be putting the magnetic eyelashes on this man here. Don't do that.
What? Frown?
No.
I was so mad that I'm fuming.
Exactly. So we're going to try to take this applicator here. It kind of looks like a flamingo.
You look like a flamingo.
Okay.
Is this gonna hurt?
No, I'm not gluing them on or anything. They're magnetic. So you can't blink, okay? Alright guys, so this is the one pair of lashes on. They look actually look so natural, except I need to fix this one side here because it keeps coming off. I feel like I didn't do the magnet properly, but I actually feel like it's better to apply them with your hands versus with the tool that they give you. But I'm going to try doing the other side now with the tool and see if it makes any difference. So let's go ahead and try this, and I gotta fix his one side there. They actually don't look like he's wearing fake lashes. That's what I like about these. They're very natural looking. And what I like about these is you don't need glue for this, so you can't even tell, because you know how sometimes glue doesn't dry right, and it looks a little crusty on your eyes. These don't give you that. So I'm gonna try doing his other side now, and we're gonna go head out and see. Well, I mean, honestly, they don't look like you're wearing fake lashes, so I'm pretty sure you're not going to get much of a reaction, but I was hoping for, like, thicker volume ones, but honestly, these are the kind of lashes that I would wear if I didn't have lash extensions, and I would totally rock these if I didn't have lash extensions, because those eyelashes with the glue, like, I just can't. I can't do those. So we're going to go ahead and do the other side, and we're going to use these just to try to see if these make it easier. I feel like you gotta use both. You gotta use your hands and the tool. Look up for me. Up for me. Okay, let me see her eyelashes. So that's what they look like on him. They're very natural. They look like his actual eyelashes. Yes, they do. So now we're gonna go out and we're gonna go do stuff. And honestly, you can't tell at all.
Going to do
like this
stuff.
this one I feel like applied a lot easier than this side. For the most part, this is easy, but if you're trying to apply it on somebody else for the first time, it's kind of a little bit difficult. But your facial expressions are hilarious, by the way. But yeah, honestly, you can't tell on him that they're fake. They look really good. We're going about our day with these lashes. How do you feel? How do you feel about this challenge?
I feel violated.
It doesn't look that bad, you know.
Cool, get your pizza and let's go.
Hey, we're at the park and he's still wearing his lashes over here.
I'm trying to hide.
He keeps looking down every time somebody passes by so nobody actually sees. But
No.
yeah, now we're heading to the river to do a little bit of fishing. Well, I can't fish because I don't have my license yet, but he does. So we're hoping to maybe catch something. Somebody is in his fishing spot. Oh no. They're scared of you because you look pretty today.
Yeah, probably.
Yes. So how does the eyelashes feel?
Oh, they feel fantastic. You know, it's not like I can't even tell they're there.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
This is a paid advertisement for this.
No. No, for real. How does it feel? Does it feel weird?
Kinda. I'm used to it too. So.
Imagine being a girl and having to do this every day of your life.
Yeah, but you guys choose to wear this shit.
Yeah, because we don't have no eyelashes. Yeah, but they're not pretty eyelashes.
They're fine. We're just not happy with them.
Exactly.
Run out and buy these and stick them on. Subscribe to your channel.
Yes, and watch our fishing vlog.
Yes. I'm so fancy. Okay, take these things off.
Okay, so we are nearing the end of our day. We're just gonna get food right now, and he doesn't want to wear them inside. So we're gonna take them off. So I'm just gonna hand sanitize my hands because I don't want to give you any eye infections or anything like that. I don't think that's a good idea. It's very awful. Okay, so how was your day wearing eyelashes?
Very annoying.
Annoying. So would you be able to be a girl and wear these every day? We wear them for like, you know, sometimes 8 hours.
Yeah, but you guys choose to. I don't need to because I already have fantabulous eyelashes.
And you're a guy, like you've probably never even worn mascara before, except for the one time I put it on you.
Oh, that's so good.
Is it? So what's nice about these is you can totally reuse them. You can just put them back in their case, and the case is right there too. So, yeah, you can definitely reuse them. Still really good after the first use. I would say you could probably use this maybe like a week or two. Right. How does that feel? I have your eyelash stuck to me. How does that feel?
Good.
Better?
Mm-hmm.
Well, see, like his natural lashes are already pretty long, so I feel like these didn't really make much of a difference. They gave you like volume though, for sure.